Hello, teacher. My name is Phong. I am an English recruiter, and for many times of hiring the teacher, especially the foreign teacher like Filipinos or native and non-native teacher, I realized that you have some problem to use the our platform. So that's why I create this video for you and help you to use it. Okay, in this video I will show you how to do some tasks of the uh, teaching system. Okay. The first of all, I will show you the email that I sent to you. So here is the email that I sent to you. We have the teaching of the lesson. This one just for you to prepare. It means when you click in that, you can see the PDF file, the audio, the video that you are using, that you will use for the teaching. Yeah, just for seeing. You just watch it in that and know how to prepare for the lesson. Okay, you don't use the link of this one. Just open it and see to prepare for the lesson. Okay. The next one is about the link of logging system. You click in the start link. Okay, you click in that link and you click in that link and then you log in with the account is your email address. It's a username. For example, it's a username. Sorry, username. Okay, username is your email address and password is 123 and 123. This account I already created for you. So you just log in with this one username and password. Okay, and here is the teaching materials. Okay, here's the teaching material. All the material of all the courses in here. Yeah, you can uh, you can click on there to see it. Okay, and the course that we are teaching is MBE2. Okay, the next one is about the general system. So in here we have the guideline for you to use the schedule, teaching materials, and platform. But in this video, I will show you directly how to use the platform. Okay? So the first of all, about the platform is the participant. You click the participant here. You can see the people who are attending to the class. Here is just me. Yeah, just me in the class. And if you enter the class, you will be in here. You will be in here. Okay? When you click in here, when you click in here of everyone, of anyone, they will be the admin. When you click in this one of in my bot, I call it in my bot. Okay, when you click my bot, I will be the admin, and when you click the your student bot, they will be the admin. When they are the admin, they will control the system. They can control the system. They can control the class. Okay. Here is the microphone and camera. You can turn it on or turn it off. Okay, you can turn it on or turn it off. This one. And here is about the button that you click to kick out of your student. You leave your student to the class. Okay. So the next one is about the document. The document you need to sometimes it already in your class. Sometimes you need to post it in the class. How to upload the document? So you can upload your own document. It means the document in your computer. Okay, in your computer by click the upload document here. Remember, you just upload the PDF file. You just upload the PDF file or the PNG file like this. PDF file, PNG file. Upload it in that. Okay, and you can see here. Here it is. Okay, upload the PDF file. All right, or the picture file. This one. Okay, you can upload the document, or you can upload some of your PowerPoint like this. Okay, loading is loading. Okay, okay, yeah, you can upload in that. And the second way is about the slide. The slide is already put in your class, but you need to choose. Okay, you can come back to your class in here. When you enter into the class, when you log into the your account, okay, you can see the class. You can see your class in here. So you will click on this one, the triangle. You can click on this one, okay, and choose the slide. You can choose the slide. In here, we have the slide from lesson 1 to lesson 60. We have a 60 lesson, a PowerPoint about class. So you can, so if you want to choose a slide, you can choose it. Okay, slide 1, lesson 1. Okay, yeah, lesson 1. Choose it, and then you come back to the class. Click the document. You can see it now, right? Okay, you can see it now. Choose the slide here. Okay, okay, it's already in here. All right. So to select the slide, all right, you just click on there. To next the slide and move forward, you click on there. Okay, it's just about document. All right, you can turn some document that you don't need to use. Okay, turn it. Yeah, you just slide. Okay, see it? Okay, don't worry. Don't forget the big break group or raising hand. It doesn't matter. The most important thing in our platform is about the share button. Yeah, where it will help you to share the screen, to share the video. Forget to share the webcam. It doesn't matter. All right. Just focus on share the video and share the screen. When you want to share the screen, click this button. All right. Click this button and choose entire screen and then share it. It's really easy. But the thing is, the share video. Most of the teachers don't know how to share the video, so I will show you. First one, you click the share button, all right, and choose the share video. You can share the video and audio also in this button, okay? So it require you to paste the link in here. So where do you find the link? You can find the link in the YouTube channel. You copy directly the link of YouTube channel, and you can copy the link from the Dropbox in the teaching material, in the audio of teaching material. Okay, here is the teaching material. Click on there. Okay, you can see here. Where do you find the link? It's the audio column. For example, you are teaching the course MBE2. MBE2 course. So you click the link in here. Here is a link, all right? Click on there. Click on there. MBE2 audio. Okay, click on that. Okay, very good. So, for example, you are teaching lesson 1, okay? You can copy the link. In the lesson 1 here, we have an YouTube video and an audio also. So you click to copy the link of the YouTube here, and then you paste it in here. and then share the link. The YouTube channel will be the video will be open. Okay, the will open. You can open the video. All right. And for example, you want to share the audio. Okay, this one, copy it and then paste it in here. Okay, and then click the share. Okay, click the share like this. Okay, one more thing. The student, when you turn on the audio, the student cannot see the slide. How can they see the slide? You need to tell them because you cannot do it for them. They have to do it themselves. So you need to let them know to click on there. Okay, to click on there. All right, to minimize their audio. Okay, and then you keep it in until there, and then you move it in here. That click the left mouse, okay, and there, and move it there, and now they can see the slide and hear the audio at the same time. Okay, for the video it's the same. I do it one more time for you with the video is easy. Just share video, copy the link, paste the link in here and share. The video will be open. Okay, it's easy, right? Okay, that's it for the using system. Oh, one more thing. Here in the left side, we also have some teaching tool. Okay, the first one is about the pencil. The pencil. You can change the size of the pencil. Okay, you can change the color of the pencil too. Okay, change the color of the pencil. Okay, and the text, for example, yeah, okay, you can do the text. Okay, and you can underline the word. Okay, underline the word, please underline the word, and you can scope it, scope the word here. Okay, scope the word here, and then you want to undo that. Okay, or you can delete all the thing that you paint, you write here, delete it. Okay, easy, right? And here we also have some chat box. Okay, to note the knowledge that is important for the student. For example, okay, my name is Phong, I'm 29 years old. Get it? Okay, congratulations and good luck for you. I hope you can watch my video in 13 minutes. All right. I think this video. I hope that this video can help you to use the system smoothly. Thank you so much. See you.